Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brie and today I'm going to show you how to create high quality content for your faceless social media platforms. So that it's Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok and Facebook. I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done. If you're somebody who has always wanted to pursue content creation, but you're a bit uncomfortable with putting yourself on camera, you're a bit camera shy, or you just value your privacy, or you don't want to spend hours getting all dolled up or man's up just to record a 30-second video. I'm going to show you how to use the perfect dynamic duo, ChatGPT and Canva, to achieve this. So if you're somebody who wants to pursue like digital marketing and you want to earn passive income, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using faceless content. And the first platform that we'll be using to assist us in creating our faceless content hooks is ChatGPT. I'm using the free version. The pro version is definitely not required for what we're doing specifically today in this video. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to, and this is what ChatGPT provided us with. No, we asked for 10, but matter the bestie ChatGPT, she gave us bonus high converting hooks. So we have a total of 20 hooks that we can play around with. Now we're going to hop into Canva to put everything together. Now you're going to select social media and select video. Based on the platform that the content is for, you would select the respective one. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select Instagram Reel. Now this is going to automatically take us into Canva's video editor. Don't be alarmed, don't panic. This is a simple drag and drop process, very beginner friendly and very easy to use. However, if you're not comfortable navigating the video editor playhead, that's fine. All you have to do is select pages at the bottom right and it will convert it back to thumbnail view. Now, this is the fun part. You get to add your videos, you get to add your photos, your fonts, you get to make it unique to your brand. With faceless content, I personally prefer videos over images. Images can come off a bit plain and boring, and in this age of social media, viewers like motion, even if it's short form content. So that's something I would keep in mind. No, you can go over to elements on the left of the toolbar and go to videos and photos based on what you want. If it is a case where you have your own faceless videos and images, you can definitely use them instead. But if you are just starting out and you haven't gotten the chance to create any media or put together any media, Canva has an extensive library of videos and photos that you can select from. You can also use platforms like Pinterest or AI to create your stock photos and videos in the meantime. Now let's put our content together. I'm going to search for laptop on a coffee table, and as you can see, it's in my recent because I had searched for it earlier. Something to note, if it is that you're operating from a free Canva account, you want to be mindful of these little crowns. Once there's a crown attached to any elements, any media, whatever it is in Canva, that means you would need to pay for it to have access to it. So I'm just going to filter this so you guys can see some of the free options that are available. All right, and as I mentioned earlier, this is a faceless channel, so don't select a video where there's someone face being visible. All right, so I'm going to select this one just for the purpose of the tutorial, and I'm going to right click and select set a video as background. Next, we're going to go back into ChatGPT where we had generated our hooks. Now, I'm just going to copy one of the hooks that are right here, and in Canva, I'm just going to paste the text. Okay, then I'm just going to adjust it. So if you were to select this, you realize that we have a few options at the top. So this is how you can edit your text. If you were to select the video, we also see this toolbar at the top, and this is how we can actually edit the video as well. So based on what you select, the editing features might vary. So I'm just going to play around with the font. Now, when you look at this, this is not very appealing. It's not very attractive. For one, the photos and the text are clashing. So we need to fix that immediately. The first thing I'm going to do is edit our video. And to do that, it's very simple. You don't need to be a videographer or a video editor to achieve what I'm going to do. This is simple basic stuff, things that you can even achieve on your photo editor on your phone. So I'm going to select the video, go to edit, and I'm going to select adjust. And again, this is free. All right. We're going to reduce the brightness of the video and we're going to increase the contrast just a little bit. All right. Or to wherever it looks comfortable to you. And as you can see, even though we adjusted the video, the text is still not visible. So whenever you see things like this happening, you know that you may have to change the color of the text. So what we're going to do is select the text, select this A icon with the color bar, and we're going to select add color, and you can navigate on this little line here for whatever color you want. If you have a specific color that you want to use and you have the X code or the color code, you can paste it here. But for now, I'm going to use white. And as you can see, with the white, it's much more visible. Also, I'm going to search for serif because I want to use a different font. So select the font drop down and select go into the search bar here. And let me see. So I'm going to use this one called DM Serif Display. And let me just zoom in just a little bit just to see if we like how our text is looking. So are you comfortable with the line, the gap between each sentence? If you're not comfortable, you can select it. Select this little advanced setting here for your text, and you can play around with the spacing of the letter, and you can play around with the line spacing between each sentence. All right. And we should have something like this. And where you see this preview icon or button, select it, and it's going to give you a preview of what your work looks like. Once you're comfortable, we are going to move on to the next step. Now, as you can see, when we play the video here, you realize that the text does not play all the way. So what we're going to do is select the show page thumbnail icon right here, and we're going to ensure the text is stretched across, all the way across. All right. And once you're done, you can go back to the thumbnail view where you're much comfortable navigating. No, you want to ensure that this is edited the way you want it. You're comfortable with the adjustments that you make, because we're going to go back into ChatGPT and we're going to copy all of the 10 hooks that it had generated for us. Now we're going to go to apps and we're going to select or search for bulk create. And we're going to select this option right here. Then we're going to enter data manually. And we're going to select add text. And I'm just going to give this a title. So for instance, faceless, because we're generating more faceless quotes. And we're going to select the row beneath it. And we're going to select copy and paste just to paste what we had copied from ChatGPT. We're going to select done. And then you're going to select auto match fields. So Canva is going to analyze what we have right over here, so it can duplicate this to apply the other hooks that we have. So select auto match fields. And once it's done, select continue and select create 10 designs. Once it's completed, you're going to get this prompt at the top of your page. Select view design, and it's going to take you into a completely new design interface with all the 10 hooks generated. And if we select the grid view, you see where you have all of this with the text and everything, the different hooks. Or if you want to do a preview, you see it has everything. And you see that it applies the reduceness of the brightness and the increase of the contrast. So the text is visible on all of these. This would be it for you. Once you're comfortable, you would go to share and you would select download and ensure MP4 video is selected and select download. Or if you don't want to download everything all at once, you have the option to select specific slides that you want to download. No, as a creative, whilst this is efficient and boosts productivity, I like to be unique. I like when brands stand out. So, because when you use the bulk create feature, you don't have the option to use 10 different image or video on the background. It duplicates the exact same videos based on the amounts of slides or pages that you want. Now, if you're comfortable with that, fine. But if you're somebody who wants to stand out, you can go back to your homepage and select Instagram Reel. And this option will allow you to add your own custom videos and photos that you may have created on your own. So you're going to copy and paste one of the hooks from ChatGPT and you're going to go back to bulk create and you're going to select enter data manually. Once you've pasted all the quotes from ChatGPT, you're going to select done and then select continue and create your 10 duplicated pages and your designs. And now it makes it easier for you to go in with your own videos or photos and just drag and drop them onto your page like this. And of course, always remember to go in further to edit your video or image just to ensure that the text is visible, and if you have to change the color of the text, just do that. This is basically what we did earlier on in the video. This is just for persons who may not want to use the exact same image for every post. And when you're done, you should have something like this: 10 different videos or 10 different images, which I highly recommend and prefer in comparison to the first option where we have the one video or the one photo with the same hooks or the same marketing material. And that's literally it, guys. That was pretty easy. So no more camera anxiety, no more excuses. Get ChatGPT, it's free. Get Canva, it's free. And get the ball rolling. You could be earning passive income like these other big creators and small creators if you just start. All you have to do is start. Now, thank you so much for tuning into the channel. I appreciate the continued support. If you're new here, thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy your stay and get comfortable. Welcome home. All right, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, as well as turn your post notification on so you can be notified whenever I upload my next video. Now, if there's anything specific that you want me to touch on, comment down below and I'll be happy to do so in my next video. Until next time, stay safe and stay